Maximum reliability for your components for extreme conditions, even where thermal and corrosive limits are reached. At Zestron, we are the leading international cleaning specialist. We work alongside our customers with process optimization, risk avoidance, right through to damage analysis as a consultant. Our process engineers will guide you through the cleaning system selection, testing cleaning process solutions under production conditions, together with you and independent of manufacturers. Our innovative and environmentally friendly cleaning media removes impurities reliably and residue-free. Our cleaning consultation is complete when we've achieved superb cleaning results validated through our analytical services, results-driven down to the smallest detail. With 8 technology centers, local teams of process engineers, and experience from 3,000 successfully installed cleaning processes, we are your knowledgeable partner because reliability is our driver in every aspect of our work.